गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप लोग? कार्तिक, पवन, प्रमोद, शशि। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। क्या फर्क पड़ा हिंडनबर्ग रिपोर्ट से? चूहा भी नहीं मरा। गिफ्ट निफ्टी एट 24,385। निफ्टी फ्यूचर्स बाज 24,401। वी एक्सपेक्टिंग अ फ्लैटिश स्टार्ट here or there, whatever. गुड मॉर्निंग कविता, प्राची। So not expecting any great move. Ashok, good morning, good to see you. We're not expecting any great movement either side. Expecting a flat start. If you're holding a put position, please exit at a comfortable level. Or if you are in a neutral position, you may like to consider buying nifty calls. Please define your strike and your expiry. I'll be happy to trade that way that I've just mentioned. भाई जो ऑनलाइन है, हेलो तो कर लो यार. Let's talk. Let's say hello to each other. Please don't stay in the incognito mode. Please say hello. And please also like, subscribe, and share to this stream. If you are new, please share the name and city where you come from. Good morning, Praveen. Naveen, Srinivas, good morning. Who else is here? Mowgli, good morning. Okay, so I don't know how many of you got the chance to go through the trade plan. The direction is up. Even if we get a red opening, eventually we should become green. And my preferred index is Nifty today. I'm expecting that whatever confusion that has to happen will probably take the first half, but in second half we should see a convincing up move. This is what I'm thinking, but this is to do with my view for the day and for next few days. But for morning trade, we will focus on the 3 minutes charts of Bank Nifty and Nifty futures. Here they are. Bank Nifty futures on my left and Nifty futures on my right. You need not see anything except just the price action and maybe the pivot levels, nothing else. Forget these indicators that I plotted here. These are all redundant and useless. Just focus on the price action. On the 15-minute charts, we have these levels: 334, 325, 306, 249, 193, 164, 141, and 129, and then 100. These are all the levels on the downside. I'm sure. Hey, Hardly a few of them, if at all, may be used to take a bounce and then it will bounce upwards. It should trade 450 plus to hit 486 and the higher levels I had mentioned in the trade plan. Okay. Good morning, Rekha. Vishy, good morning. Sandeep, good morning. Good to see everyone. Please take care of your puts as the direction is on the upside. Market may oblige you to exit at cost or whatever. We still have some time before the pre open rates come in. In the meanwhile, please like, share, subscribe, and share the link with your friends whom you know they need this more than anything else. They need to trade scientifically, peacefully, with conviction. Share the link with them. And if anyone is new and has not never been into a elite group or a Go Green program and is considering learning this situation, how to trade, please, for heaven's sake, do not trade without understanding this. You will only lose, guaranteed. Losses are guaranteed if you do not learn and just trade blindly. किसी से भी सीखो, बट सीखो, सीख के काम करो. Pre-open rates. We have 24320, which is very slight negative, and it is just above the gap. Bus, this may be your opportunity. That's it. It may still fall down. It may still take go lower, but then there is no great cut as the whole world was expecting. And I clearly mentioned this in the trade plan. Trade plan link already shared. Let's look at what other markets are doing. Nasdaq plus, S&P plus, Hang Seng is flattish, down 0.1%. Kospi 1% plus, Nikkei 0.56% plus. DAX CAC तो अभी खुलेंगे. All right. No adverse effect on the news, just the regular down move, and then the upward move will follow. This is the daily chart. This is the hourly chart, and this is the 15-minute chart. We come to our 3 minutes chart. Yeah, 9:11. Some more people have joined. I'm sure the attendance has doubled. Let's say hello to each other. Hello, everyone. Do not stay in the incognito mode. Invisible mode में मत रहो यार. At least say hello to everyone. Let's know who's here. And if you're new, please mention your name and city. Hey, Vivek. Good morning. Vivek is from Singapore. Who else? Who else is here? अरे हेलो तो लगाओ यार. 2 मिनट रह गया बस. हेलो तो कर लो फटाफट. 'Bandwidth issues'. Let me open up my own terminal as well. It's open, but let me just set it up. Okay, 9:14. The market opens any moment. Hanuman, good morning. Ashfaq Saeed, good morning from Navi Mumbai. All right, welcome. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Chandra, good morning. Chandra Vilas Sonamani, good morning. All right. First tick is down. All those who are carrying puts know what to do and when to do. Nifty taking support at 200 EMA should find a support. First three candles, minutes candle is very big in size, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. That shows that in the next few minutes we will not get a break on either side. Most likely it will be stuck in a range and the range will be broken in the second half. ऐसा लग रहा है. 30 seconds to go. When the first 3 minutes candle closes, trade peacefully. We can see that there is no overreaction to the Hindenburg report. कोई overreaction नहीं है. Market is very cool. It's business just like any other day. Trust all who are carrying puts have moved out in green. Matter ends. First 3 minutes have ended. Watch the move now. It's still sinking as far as the 3 minutes is concerned, but will it break the range of first 3 minutes candle? That is to be seen. The range is pretty big in both the indices. It may not be broken so easily. If someone has traded and made money, please share the points captured. GG7, please hold your horses. Avoid if you can. Avoid to trade if you can because I sense the uh, anxiety will be there, but hold on. Save your money. Do not get into panic trades or emotion trade. Understand the signs and then trade. Good morning, Amal. No worries. You haven't lost anything. The market is where it was. It's almost near where it had opened. Time for Haisha. Haisha. Time for Haisha. Okay. It's taking support as expected on 200 EMA and now wanting to move up. Has given ample time in the morning to all holding put positions to exit out. And now we are seeing a confident move on the upside and then some retracement and then the move will continue. I think this 200 EMA should act as a support. Trade is on the long side. Preferred index is Nifty. Rest you decide. Keep your stop losses. Do not worry about the loss. Just ensure that it is a small loss. That's it. I have nibbled some positions for the upside. I will not buy the entire quantity. I never buy the entire quantity in one lot. One time I pick up small quantities as and when I get opportunity. As I said, trade is clearly on the upside. We are seeing the traction. Are you getting benefited from my views? Oh my God, just saw the message. Rekha has captured 104, 107 points in swing inputs. Good, very good. ये वो पोजीशन है जो कि आप फ्राइडे को लेके गए थे. Very good. What about others? Have you captured some points? Thank you, Pramod. I'm just asking everyone, is my presence in the morning helping you in your trade decisions? Are you learning in the process? Yes or no? Good morning, Rutvik. Thank you, Rutvik. Others are too busy in their trades to even respond. क्यों भाई नाराज हो? कुछ तो respond करो यार. Srinivas, yes sir, thank you. There are about 30, 40 people here. Thank you, Chandra. Thank you, Prachi. Very good. Thank you, Vivek. Just stay focused on the long side. Do not worry about the small moves here and there. Today's low, I think, is already made in the first candle, and we should be slowly inching up. Even if we get a small move down, it is likely that we will respect today's low. In extreme case, when today's low is broken, I don't sense a big fall. बात खत्म. Hindenburg is history. बात खत्म हो गई है. India, Indian market, Indian investors, everyone knows how to handle these news. I wish today's low is broken. होना तो नहीं चाहिए, but I wish so because I'll get the calls at deeper discount. Trade with lot of peace of mind, and you will be able to make good returns. The more you panic, the more it will go out of you. You sold 50,200 put. We don't sell, so I have no idea about selling, Srinivas. Sorry about that. We are option buyers, but ठीक है, whatever works for you. Morning trades, typically the time is between 9:15 and 9:30. First 15 minutes are enough, and sometimes we extend it for another 15 minutes, so 9:45. पहले 15 मिनट में या 30 मिनट में हमारा काम हो जाता है. We have made our money within the first hour, half an hour max, and we are done for the day. We do not want to sit in front of the terminal whole day. That's why this morning session ends at 10 o'clock. Good morning, Rohit. Come on, come down because I know you have to eventually go up. नीचे आओ यार, I want to pick up some discount sales. Come, come, come. Nifty will only oblige that much. I'm expecting a decisive move in the second half. Um, Let me give you another hint. The time where the up move could happen is around 2 o'clock, give or take some time. उसके आसपास the time is helpful in terms of the up move, and when that happens, we may see a strong up move. If the price action is in sync, in synchronization, we can see a decisive up move around 2 o'clock in the afternoon today. So first half it will keep on, digesting the news of Hindenburg, etc. But second half we are likely to see a up move. And why am I seeing Nifty on both the sides? This is Nifty. This should be Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, Nifty one day. One of my window I think is closed. I closed unknowingly. I'll open it again. But in the meanwhile, this has to be Bank Nifty. Let's stay focused right now on the 3 minutes charts. All well. It has taken support at S1 24330 and is moving up again. 9:30 sharp. I will consider nibbling on to longs even if I get a dip because the direction is up, and likely we'll get a strong up move in the second half. For the elite group, ORB for second half is likely to work. That's your hint. Do not get desperate to trade. Okay, this is 15 minutes. All right. Multi time frame chart, daily, hourly, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. Nifty. Let's bring the indicators up. निफ्टी टेकिंग गुड सपोर्ट है 24288 इन स्पॉट। एक लेवल लगी हुई है, इस पे ये सपोर्ट ले रहा है और उसके बाद दिस इज आवरली चार्ट दैट आई एम लुकिंग एट एंड चांसेस आर इट विल pick up the momentum on the upside. It has to stay above anywhere between 420 and 450 zone. It has to break out of that to move up. Till that time, it will continue struggling. So, if you think it's going to blast right away, not likely. Pick up your morning trades, share your loot, share whatever you have made in terms of your points captured. It'll be nice to see who's capturing what. And it is okay if you have not captured something, you've been able to not get into green, you're in red. It's okay. Just share it here. यहाँ बताइए कि आपने क्या किया है, आपको अच्छा लगेगा। Srinivas says I've captured 60 points. Fantastic. Very nice. Congratulations. You know, when you trade, uh, eventually after learning everything, when you trade in larger quantities, 60 points are massive. Interestingly, the elite group captures few hundred points and above, and many of them capture 500 points and above, many capture 1,000 points and above, and some capture even 1,500 to 2,000 points. This is the reality. And those people are here, right here, in this live. जब मौका आता है तो चौका लगाते हैं। एक सब्सक्राइब का बटन है, उसके ऊपर प्लीज प्रेस करिए, और लाइक का बटन है, उस पर भी प्रेस करिए। मालूम पड़े कितने लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है, कितने लोगों का फायदा हो रहा है। So if you're getting benefited, please ensure that you're subscribed and like and share this live stream with your friends in your network, in your other WhatsApp groups, so people know that there are much simpler ways to trade than the complicated ways that they are using. And if you're not part of the elite group, you still want to learn, you can show your intent by filling up this form. I can see 21 likes, and there are almost double the people here. So बाकी लोगों ने like नहीं किया है, भी please कर दीजिए। See, I could be busy doing my own trades, but I'm coming because of all of you. I'm trying to help out. Please just click on the like button. It gives me the comfort that there are people who are willing to say thanks. Thank you, Himanshu. You're always the best one, the first one. We are seeing market ensuring that it is not losing any strength. It has to just wait for the right time to move up. In the multi-time frame chart, Nifty has to trade above 200 EMA for any further possible up move. It had attempted twice to go above 200 EMA but hasn't succeeded. But it is not weak either. So be very careful. Do not try to short the market. It is not a market to be shorted. For short position, if you had to take, you should have taken by Friday and exited out in the morning. At this moment, it will be risky. I wish Nifty comes down more so I can pick up something else, some more lots on discount, but then not sure if it is wanting to oblige and I do not want to over invest. So I'll just hold on. Whatever quantity I have, I'll just hold on. Patience is the name of the game. अगर नेगेटिव मूव आना होता तो अब तक आ चुका होता. Understand this. So whatever negativity you have seen is all that there was most likely. Okay, I was just handling a query in the meanwhile. Please avoid sending me WhatsApp messages directly at this time because I can't respond to your WhatsApp messages and also trade and guide. It doesn't work. Please be fair to each other. Yes, good observation, Rekha. All are inside bars. I had said it right in the beginning that it's a very high range of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Most likely, it will remain in this range and it will take time to exit out of this range either side. Himanshu, we do not trade 9 EMA, so I have no idea about what is 9 EMA. There are zillions of EMAs. We have our own EMAs that we work on, and that gives us the profit. That is what matters. So if you forget about all indicators, just look at clinically. Nifty is trading exactly within the range it had formed in the first 5 minutes or first 3 minutes, as the case may be. This is first 3 minutes. If you're looking at futures charts, this is the first 3 minutes of Nifty. उसी के अंदर चल रहा है. So it is indecisive. It will move aggressively upside or downside. That's all it will do for now. Bank Nifty, same situation. It has tried to break out two, three times, but has failed, and it is again within the range. So this is not the time to trade and trade recklessly. You should know all this by the time you have been trading, when to trade, when not to trade. And if you have to trade, trade with smaller input, smaller points. So somebody just clocked 40, 60 points, and that's good enough. बहुत है यार. Srinivas Reddy made 60 points. That's good enough. And you should not trade after this. Once you have made your money, please do not get into the market again because the market can really, uh, take away all your profits in no time. Looks like I'll get a chance to buy something on discount, standing by and waiting. Newbies will always get confused कि ये तो नीचे जा रहा है आप तो ऊपर बोल रहे थे. This is time will tell you by evening what am I saying. मैं अपने मुंह से क्या बोलूं. Now the first 3 minutes range looks like getting broken on the lower side for Nifty, but this is only a picture that you are seeing. Move is still up. Wait and watch. Time बताएगा आपको. First hour's low and high are critical. That is where we will know exactly where is market likely to go. So no jumping to conclusions. Just wait for the first hour to be completed. That will happen at 10:15 a.m. and use that as a reference to figure out where should it be depending upon the levels. GG7 will be added to elite group before their program starts. So relax, do not carry any anxiety. You will be moved to the elite group very soon. Anyone has captured more points? Please share. Oh, Rahul has captured 30 points in Nifty calls in the morning. Wonderful. Congratulations, Rahul. 30 points in Nifty is equivalent to almost 70 points in Bank Nifty. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. Good, Srinivas. That's the self control we need to have. If you have seen green, matter ends. If you have not seen green, even then the matter ends. Do not overtrade. If you keep sitting in the gamble house, you will be robbed of all your belongings sooner or later. It's almost 9:50. The morning trade time was over for 4 5 minutes back. Just close your trades if you have still got open trades. Matter ends. Ravindra closed my BTST position with 117 points. Fantastic. क्या चौका छक्का लगाया यार मजा आ गया. Very good. Congratulations. I'm glad you're closed, and I hope and believe everybody who was carrying puts has closed. Good opportunities that you've got. Sorry, you booked at 9:15. What timing? What price? Fantastic. Yes, Hola, your observation is right. आप हेलो बोल दिया करो यार. आप लोग आते हो हेलो नहीं बोलते हो सुबह सुबह. क्या बात है यार, नाराज हो मुझसे. Can I request, please click on like and subscribe, and please share the link with your other friends and networks and other groups, because I'm still seeing 25 likes only. क्या बात है यार, नाराज तो नहीं हो. Only 25, and there are about 35 40 people here. Hello, Hola, how are you? Hola is from Bangalore. Great guy, very focused, high-end techie, always helping. 9:15:29. Bye, Gazab. Ashok is sitting on Nifty calls. Okay. GG7, I would request you to avoid trading till you learn. You can trade, but trade with the least quantity if you really have to. Otherwise, hold on. You're already committed to learning. Just hold on. Right now, it is the right trade to be in. Sit peacefully. In the meanwhile, let me see if I did get something. No, my buy price isn't triggered as yet. I read it like woods and bricks sitting on nifty calls. If woods and bricks are sitting on nifty calls, the nifty calls will have difficulty rising up because of the excess weight. Good fun. All right. 9:53. We are inching towards the end of this program. Morning, morning trades. Please ensure everyone, please like, subscribe, and share the link with your friends. Let them also benefit. Varnika captured 30 points in Bank Nifty calls in morning trade. Bank Nifty calls नहीं चलेगा बाबा. Please. But ठीक है. Glad you picked up something. Good, good, good. This fall is giving me interesting ideas. Can you believe it has still not triggered my buy? I'm still waiting for it to come down further. That is when my discount buy will be triggered. Let's wait. I hope my buy gets triggered finally. अभी तो नहीं लग रहा है. The lower it gets, happier I am because I want to buy Nifty calls. Please remember 15th is a holiday, Thursday. This is a truncated week, and if you're trading in this week's expiry, you're asking for trouble. That's the big hint I can give you. Irrespective of Nifty, Bank Nifty, call, put, whatever, if you're trading in this week's expiry, you are asking for trouble. आपको नहीं पता है तो मत ट्रेड करिए, but do not trade blind. It doesn't work. Nifty has finally started taking support at 242227, the pivot level here, and it may take final support at 24192. So relax, do not be in a hurry. It's coming very near my buy zone. Let us see where it goes. Now, the common thing people experience is, oh, market has fallen so much, so I should have held on to my puts. Listen, जो मिल गया ना, उसके लिए learn to have a gratitude. Because the moment you start getting into this emotion of the frustration and FOMO, that works counterproductive for your psychology. So be happy with whatever you've got. And this wasn't expected anyway, right? So we got that. Be happy about it and enjoy the happiness, enjoy the loot, whatever you have. Sure, you could have robbed two more banks, but is this one bank that you have robbed not good enough? It's 9:58. Just stay focused on where um, the first 1 hour candle closes. मैं निफ्टी की बात कर रहा हूँ, इग्नोर बैंक निफ्टी. Where does Nifty first hour candle close? And match it with what I was saying in my trade plan and watch the movement thereafter, and then you can trade. Positionally, that is where it will pan out over a period of time. Morning trades are different and positional trades are different. Please do not confuse between these two complete set of trades. Anyway, it's 9:59, almost 10 o'clock. Time for me to say goodbye. I've done my trades. I booked out my puts in the morning itself. Very happy with whatever I've got. No regrets. And I'm now in the process of looking at where does the market turn after finding a base. That's where I will start riding the up move. As I said, first half will remain indecisive, but second half may see an upward movement with conviction. Time becomes positive around 2 o'clock, give or take something. And if the price action confirms, we can see a good recovery and good up move. Okay, all levels are already mentioned in the trade plan that you would have probably seen yesterday. Please like and comment on that also. I'll feel nice. Meanwhile, thank you so much. Always a pleasure to see all of you. Catch some moves together. Thank you so much. Bye bye.